Imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, and if the Americ Confined space ventilator could blush, well, it'd be red. There's a reason why the competition copies our world-class design. It's because it's the best. And to prove it, we stand behind it with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. No one else comes close. It's because you don't want a cheap copy when lives are on the line. It's because it moves serious air. In fact, 25% more than the nearest competition. We can throw words like rugged and long-lasting around all day. But let's look at the facts. The Americ is UL, CSA, and CE certified. Its motor is built to last, rated at over 100,000 hours of heavy-duty continuous use. It's also the first to use a dual-wall polyethylene design, made with 6 heavy-duty motor mounts. And by heavy-duty, we really mean heavy-duty. The features are endless. Multiple varieties including a pneumatic model for explosive, hazardous environments. It's stackable, lightweight, and efficient. Second rate doesn't cut it when lives are at stake. Invest in the best. Americ Confined Space Ventilators by Schaefer Ventilation.